I want to show you his mugshot and also bring in my guest. If you look on the mugshot, you can see there's a little note there we go, the left hand lower corner, about hold for safekeeping. So that's a note in the jail, hold for safekeeping. Brian Silber, any guess you'd like to venture on that one, please?
Man, I have no idea. I've never seen that before. You can't hold the person for safekeeping. You know, you can only detain someone if there's probable cause that they committed a crime. You know, this must be some kind of internal coding. It looks like that's an old computer system. It does not look like it's the latest technology. It's probably just some internal code that they have for who knows what that means. I don't know.
Sure. And so Cousin Eddie, he may be lodged on the roadside shooting case. We know he's got charges. So who knows if he's already lodged in the jail. Don't know, but at any rate, he's under subpoena and could potentially be a witness. Brian Silber, tell me, do you think that if the state gets this ruling in their favor that they want so much to introduce this evidence, do you think the smart, I know you don't agree that they should put it in. I know you don't agree with that, but let's just say they want to go on ahead. What do you think would be the best advice for them? Is it to call the law enforcement witness, or is it to bring in Cousin Eddie and take away the mystery?
Let me tell you what my instincts are telling me. I've seen prosecutors kind of do this type of thing in the past. And I think the reason why they don't want to put Cousin Eddie on the stand is because he probably doesn't have any credibility. I watched his interview. I've looked at his mug shots. And frankly, he looks like a convict to me. He doesn't look like the kind of guy that I can believe. Now, that doesn't mean once he starts testifying, that's going to be the case. I've never spoken with the man. You know, he might turn out to be real salt of the earth type. But I get the feeling he probably isn't. And that's why they want a spit and polished law enforcement officer to very professionally take the stand and professionally testify about whatever it is they're trying to get in. But frankly, I think not only are they doing something that's contrary to the rules of evidence, but I think they're going to hurt their case, because this opens a door for counterattack by the defense, because they're going to say to the jury, look, where's the evidence of murder? They're trying to dissuade you with smoke and mirrors. They want to tell you he's a financial criminal. They want to tell you he tried this roadside whole thing. You know, that is a total distraction from the truth of this case. And if I was the defense, I think I almost, you know, I'll object to it for the record so it's preserved, but I kind of almost want them to slip up so I can counterattack.
Right. No, I hear you, Brian, because you want to try a case with precision when you're a prosecutor. You really do. And it's trial advocacy. It's an art. It's not an exact science. But I hear what you're saying. And to your point about the witness you want a witness like Commander Mike King to get up there with authority, and the jury's going to believe, oh, if he says it, it must be true. So you're going to have him assess this.